Hello and welcome to your 2-minute tech briefing from Computer World. I'm your host, Arnold Davik, reporting from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Here are the top IT stories you need to know for Wednesday, May 13th. Up first, Chrome's AI features can automatically download a local model that may use up to 4 gigabytes of storage on your computer. The file, called weights.bin, is used by Google's Gemini Nano AI model to provide writing assistance, autocomplete, and fraud protection directly on the device. Because the model runs locally, data stays on the computer rather than the cloud, users can look for the Op Guide on-device model folder to see if the file is there and turn off on-device AI features in Chrome system settings. From Computer World, Microsoft and Google are moving AI agent governance deeper into enterprise IT operations. Google's new AI Control Center for Workspace focuses more specifically on giving administrators a centralized view of AI usage, security settings, data protection controls, and privacy safeguards within Workspace. Microsoft's Agent 365 covers agents across Microsoft, third-party SaaS, cloud, and local environments, while analysts warn shadow AI integrations, audit gaps, and accountability remain unresolved. And finally, from CSO Online, the U.S. Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency is urging critical infrastructure operators to prepare for cyber attacks by building the ability to keep services running in isolation. The program CI Fortify is designed to ensure that organizations can continue delivering essential services even when their networks are degraded, disconnected, or under active cyber attack. The initiative focuses on controlled disconnection, dependency mapping, restoration plans, and crisis-ready access, while experts warn costs and operator-side investment could determine whether the guidance becomes practical resilience. For more enterprise tech news, visit Computer World, CIO Network World, and CSO Online, and don't forget to like and subscribe on the Tech Talk YouTube channel.